Splendour Splash 2024. Powered by Praise L Schools.
Jobs are scarce, the struggles are real. Our daily lives is a tough ordeal. Education has become a distant dream. We are caught in corruption's cruel scheme. Our voices are silenced and our rights are denied. Insecure future and stories untold. Hope fades and our dreams are cast away. Abroad they say is a brighter shore. Opportunities and so much more. Freedom, justice, a better way. A chance to live without dismay. Stop stealing our future. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. For the sake of the youth and the children yet to born. Stop stealing our future. We plead. Enough is enough.
Prosecution, exclamations incite obedience. They only incite obedience during election. Party fed before quality. Tribalism thrives. Regionalism is the criteria. They select, but only with nepotism. Stop stealing our future. Enough is. Enough is. Enough is.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. ngabasi, onwere ngabasi, ona kakasi. Ebube dike, ile ikekwe, wani manaria, achaluko dike. Clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Onya nekwu maki aputago. Ango na bwebo na tanyi. Onwa ungabasi, ona mekasi. Onwa ungabasi, ona mpiakasi. Ebube dike, ile ikekwe. Wani manaria.
Can we put our hands together for Praise Our Junior High School, year 7 and 8? Please, can we applaud them? Can we applaud them? Put your hands together for them. Are you enjoying this dance presentation? Please, if you are enjoying this presentation as I am, kindly put your hands together.
Splendour Splash 2024. Powered by Praise L Schools.